Unlock the full potential of your clothing brand with Big Cartel, optimizing your online store for maximum sales and customer satisfaction. First, let's create a captivating product listing from your Big Cartel dashboard. Navigate to the product section and select Add a Product. Carefully fill in your product name, a compelling description highlighting unique selling points, and a competitive price. Remember, clear and concise details help customers make informed decisions. Next, upload high-resolution images showcasing your clothing from various angles and on models. Visual appeal is crucial for online fashion, so prioritize professional photography. Now, let's organize for easy navigation. Head to the categories section. Create intuitive categories like shirts, hoodies, or accessories to help customers quickly find what they're looking for. Assign each product to its relevant category. This streamlines the shopping experience and encourages customers to browse more of your collection. To boost sales, implement strategic promotions. Access the Discounts tab here. You can create discount codes for percentages off, free shipping, or even buy a Negatone deals. Promote these discounts through your social media and email newsletters. Visible offers at checkout encourage conversions. Finally, ensure seamless order fulfillment. Regularly check your orders tab for new purchases. Promptly pack and ship your items, providing tracking information to customers. Timely shipping and clear communication post-purchase build trust and encourage repeat business, solidifying your brand's reputation. By optimizing these key areas: product presentation, category management, promotions, and fulfillment, you'll maximize Big Cartel's potential and elevate your clothing brand's online success.